Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Cleet Crocker here at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I'm in our Thornton store today, and sometimes I bring you special deals, and today I've got one of those for you. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Ever since the turn of the year, we've been selling laundry like crazy. That's probably the #1 desired thing that we see coming through, and it's even hard to keep in the stock, but you know what? We've got it in stock. So today, what I've got for you, we brought in a special. This is a closeout deal that's actually already been replaced in the market, but what's really cool is this washer. It's made by Maytag, and its replacement is selling for $13.49 every day. What's really cool is we brought this in for you at $7.99. So huge savings. So what's so good about it? Well, this is one of their better washing machines. And if you take a look at it, look at this here. This is a new soap dispenser. And what's great about this is this holds about 12 laundry loads in it. Instead of you having to refill it all the time, you get to do about 12 laundry loads. Going forward, if we look inside of it, it's actually huge. It's a 4.6 cubic foot washing machine. So what that means to you is you don't have to, have all these different loads. You can put it all in at the same time, however you'd like to do it. But for me, the best measurement is, will it handle a king size comforter? And the answer is yes. This will handle it just fine. So in the inside about there, you see all those bumps and holes in there. Well, those bumps are designed to keep your fabric away from the holes, which you can sometimes snag clothes. So having this kind of a drum is perfect. It means it's going to protect your fabric and make it last longer. The other thing about this, one of my favorite features, is that it's got steam. So what steam does is it soaks into the clothes, it pops the stains up because it's loosening the fabric as it's penetrating the fabric. So pretty nice. If you don't want to use stain removers anymore, just do the steam and that'll take care of that issue for you. So other things about it, it's got fresh hold. So fresh hold is something unique to Maytag, and what that means is you can set this up. Let's say you're going to go shopping, you want to go ahead and get things started. Well, a lot of people won't do that because by the time they get back, the clothes will smell a little stale, little just not right. So you wait till you do the washer until you get home. Well, on this one, you've set that fresh hold up, and what it will do is it'll turn on an interior fan inside there, which most washers don't have, bringing in fresh air, and every now and then it's going to tumble. So that's kind of cool. It'll do that for up to 12 hours. So that means that when you come home and you're ready to get it out, it will be fresh for you to put in the dryer. Or if you want, you can set this in an overnight setting. It does the same thing by the time you get up. Because it's been tumbling, because it's been bringing that air, it's kind of like having your clothes out on the clothesline. You'll wake up and they'll already be dry and smelling very, very fresh. So pretty cool. It's also got an allergen cycle. So what that does is it's just like a sanitary cycle, which this one has. Sanitary cycle is good for killing bacteria. Where allergen cycle is very similar, except it actually will bring heat into the washer a little bit longer, long enough to kill 99% of allergens that are out there. So if you've got that problem with allergies in your house, this is great. During that time of the season, this is great. It can save you a lot of real headaches down the road. So the last thing about it is its clean wash cycle. Your better washers have that now. Basically, it's gonna fill this thing up with water. It's gonna start going through gyrations that will actually clean it up on its own. It's great. Use that with some of its fresh that you can get here. Those little tablets, along with the gyrations it puts itself through. Oh my goodness, it keeps the smells from occurring like we used to hear traditionally in front load washers. So that's a great feature. Like I said, it's brought to you today at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom at $7.99, and even better, if you use our Appliance Factory credit card, you are going to be able to get an extra $100 off today.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.